Anyone want to take a guess at what's wrong with it? Let me shut the fan off first. All right, what this is a 2012 Ford Focus SEL Hatchback. I picked this up off of a coworker for $500 just a few days ago. The good, it runs, drives, starts just fine, which is quite impressive. He's owned it for 10 years. He's put about 100,000 miles on it. The car now currently has 250,000 miles on it, which is very impressive in my opinion. However, the former owner wasn't too keen on maintenance or taking care of things. So just to give you an idea, it needs front end work. Let me grab a light here, I'll show you. So both front tires are completely bald, even metal showing in spots. He went through 13 sets of tires over the past couple of years on the front, all just out of refusal to get some tie rods and stuff, you know, fixed and taken care of. But instead he just kept putting tires on it, whatever. But a few other things. So he was changing the alternator, broke a connector, and so he decided to call it quits and get rid of the car. He mentioned it to me, so I picked it up off of him. However, after he gave up on it, he let it sit outside for a month, and the sunroof drains were clogged. So essentially, for a month, we had a lot of rain here. The whole interior was soaked, front and back, floorboards. There was about an inch of standing water in the floorboards. Got all that shop vacked out. And so for the past 3 days, I've been running this fan, been running a dehumidifier, trying to get the moisture out of the car. So far so good. It's getting there. I've like I said, I shop vacked off camera. I shop vacked out all the excess water, and we've basically just been trying to let it dry out since. Kind of the most disgusting part to me is the headliner. As you can see, it's got mold on it, and that's from where all that moisture was coming in around the sunroof. And we got the little bit of headliner coming down right here and right here. Gonna have to glue that up. If any of you have any ideas on how to clean this headliner, I'd be more than welcome to ideas. Right now I'm currently thinking just traditional cleaners and shampooing it. But if you guys got something better that might work, I'm very much open to that. So a few things. We've got a front end kit coming to address the alignment issues with the front end. I got a valve cover gasket coming because the valve cover is very much leaking. Basically some tune-up stuff. I got a few parts here, new belt, new alternator coming. So yeah, look forward to seeing a few videos on this car coming up here in the near future. As soon as those parts come in, we'll start getting to work on it, and hopefully get it back on the road, and see how much longer we can make this Ford last. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.